Well, apparently I'm wanted. When I get home, everybody just compiled onto me. Smokey just piled on up when I had Courtney up here. Courtney is just like, what is this big furry thing in my way of my daddy? And Smokey's just like, I'm going to claw the crap out of him until he can't take it anymore. Well, say hi to Courtney. Just don't claw her. Yeah, come here, baby. Oh, yeah. Yeah, give Courtney a kiss. Ooh, what do you think of the big kitty? The kitty cat's just as big as you are. She got a big old handful of Smokey hair, too.
Oh, no. Watch out, Smokey.
Yeah. What do you think about all this, huh?